Well, once we complete this, then we can move along with our pegboard. With the right layout, we'll cover this whole back wall using only 2 4x8 sheets of pegboard. We lay out the location of the outlets and make the cuts with a rotary speed saw. Installation is easy because you can see the studs right through the pegboard. This stuff is all about utility, but it's really cleaned up the look of this garage as we begin laying out some shelves using cleats ripped from 1x4 pine and 1x12 pine shelving. By mounting the cleat just below the top of the pegboard, we're above the window and we have a few inches of pegboard to serve as a backstop for the shelf. 2x4 braces on the top side of the shelf will provide support without interfering with the pegboard. We also use the 1x12 to create a small shelf unit for power tools. The last thing we did is to drill a couple holes in our new workbench, 1.5-inch holes, perfect size for this tubing that I bought at the home center. Now this tubing is commonly used for like a bilge pump or sump pump. What I'll be using it for is kind of a homemade dust collection system. Now a miter saw can be positioned here. This can hook to the dust port itself, or basically any power tool that has a dust port. Then this will be hooked to a little shop vac that will be positioned here, and the power for the shop vac, since we don't have any outlets there, will come up through this hole and plug right in. Now this will help minimize the amount of dust that might collect or be created in this room because it will be used for storage. Another idea, this little shelf can be used anytime for anything that you want to set up here, but it's also perfect for this fan to be positioned here. You can open the window and exhaust more of the dust. Plus, if you're working with anything that has some really strong fumes like paint or stripper, this will help to provide the ventilation that you need in those situations. Also, during the summertime with the window open, you can turn it around this way, get a little breeze blowing in your shop.